Hi everyone! I want to tell you about your center work today. I think you're really gonna like it. This is called Creation Station. So in your bag that you got, you should have gotten a black piece of paper with your name on it. If you didn't get one, Mom can write it on any paper you have at home, and that is completely fine. Just have Mom write it really big. Okay, so we're gonna be working on our cutting skills today. So I have my paper with my name. It says Brola, B-R-O-L-A. And I have all the little scrap piece of paper that was also in my bag. I have scissors and I have a glue stick. And that's all you need. So we are going to cut in small pieces. So I'm talking like a little square or rectangles. That's pretty tiny, right? So I'm gonna cut a few of these squares. I might cut a bunch at one time. I'm just gonna cut like maybe 3 pink and maybe some green and some yellow. Now this paper is pretty big. Remember, I want little pieces. This is too big. We don't want it this big, right? So you just need to cut it into smaller pieces. And I'm kind of making these like triangles, and that is okay too. But a little too big. I'm gonna make it smaller. So I'm gonna cut really carefully. Now, you have to remember when you're using scissors that scissors are tools. They're not toys. So just like any other tool, a hammer or a nail, you have to be really careful with tools. So scissors, you have to be really careful with. So on my floor down here, you can see my scrap papers. So I have just a few ready, and then I can cut some more when I need it. So I've got my glue, and I've got my papers down here. Now, let me tell you, your fingers might get a little sticky. It's okay. We can clean them at the end. So I'm going to get some glue on my first piece of paper, and I want my name to look like a rainbow. So I'm going to use all different colors of paper. I don't want to use all the same color. But if you really want to use all the same color, or you want to do each letter the same color, you can totally do that. You get to make your name look however you want. So if you see, I am gluing it right on the line. So let me get another one. Let me get another pink one. And so I have my paper, I put some glue on it, and then, oh, my glue wants to fall over. I get my paper and I just stick it right on, and I push it down. And I'm gonna keep going until my whole name is covered. I'm gonna go over all the lines. Now, you tell me, is it okay if I take this big piece of paper and put it on my R like this? No, like I have to have little pieces of paper. So I'm gonna cut my blue in some smaller pieces, practice my scissors, be really careful so you don't cut your fingers. And then I'm gonna glue my paper on. So I got started, and I want you to start today too. You do not have to finish this today. I'm gonna let this be your work for today, tomorrow, and Friday. So you can set a timer and just do it a few times for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And on Friday, we're gonna bring it back, and you guys are all gonna share your names with us so we can see them and how beautiful they are. So that's what I want you to work on the next few days. I also put some other fun links in there for you so that when you're done, or when you've had it, when you need a break from this, you can play quizzes, which I saw some of you played today already, and some other games on the computer. So I cannot wait to see your name, and I can't wait for you to see my name also, because I've got to finish my name. All right, have a great time doing your center work, and I hope you really like our Creation Station this week.